Bite inshuti zanjye. Iyi video ngira mbereke iri mu cyongereza. Ni isombe nari natetse ariko ndibaza ibirungo byose nakoresheje muri iyi video nibyo nkoresha no mu kinyarwanda. So sinzi niba mushaka ko nzongera nkakora iyindi noneho mvuga mu kinyarwanda, ubwo mubimenyeshe nta kibazo nzabikora. Ubwo rero ndabakunda cyane kandi umwami arabakunda kundusha. Reka turebe iyi video. Bye guys. What's up guys, my name is Christina Nyirahamana. This is the Happy Blessed Family. I have another one called the Happy Blessed Family Rwanda. So as I promised you, I think 2 videos back, that I will show you how I cook our traditional food called isombe. So today I'm gonna do it. So what I will be using, that one called isombe, is this called cassava. It's cassava leaves. I don't know how many people who eat that, which I know people from Congo, they eat that, Burundi, they eat that, in so many countries. So this is isombe, 3 packet. The order you see in here is because this packet were in the freezer, so I defrosted it yesterday. And then I will be using celery, as I say in that Costco haul, eggplant, 3 of them. I left with 1. And then red and white onions, and then the green onions, and then small green onions too, carrot, and then all the colors of bell peppers. I'll be using spaghetti sauce, and this kind of oil, palm oil, but yeah, kind of this one. If this one is not enough, I have another one here, palm oil, this one, and garlic. This one is which was in the fridge. I'll finish this one. If it's not enough, remember I bought another one yesterday, so this one is enough. And then I'll be using curry powder. I will be using peanut butter powder. If you don't have a peanut butter powder, you can use normal peanut butter, the one you put on the bread. 2 cans of diced tomatoes, if my camera can catch it. Yeah, 2. And then oil, another oil, canola oil, this, and then dash, and then pastry. If we have a fresh one, you can use it, but me, to keep fresh pastry in my fridge, always get bad before I finish it. I use it, so that's why I buy this one. So we're gonna start. And then meat, I did boil it, so it's still on the stove. So let's start. Okay guys, we'll start with canola oil. Let's boil, or the oil is ready. The reason I made so many, I put them in the freezer when already full. Make the life easier. I make 3 packets. Right. You fry it until it becomes like brown. Put our carrot. At the beginning you don't cover it because there's a smell which comes from this cassava leaves, isombe, which you don't want to keep it in the food. So when the food, cassava leaves tend, when you fry it until change the color, is where you can cover it. When you see that it's starting to be brown, even that smell, you get out. After that, we'll be putting these green onions. So it's time to put our bell peppers. Then put palm oil. I did, because it's too hot, I boiled it. I put it in this pot just to make it like liquid. You see? When you put palm oil this time, make food yummy and get enough time to cook. But when you put at the last minute, sometimes that is not cooked properly. Time to put our Maggi. After Maggi, we'll be putting our celery. If you want, you can put before you put bell peppers. That's fine. To cook some, but take a time, no rushing. So now it's time to put our onions. You fry it for like 7 to 10 minutes. So now it's time to put our garlic. I will put whole thing. Is here. So I'll finish it. Then put pastry, 3 tablespoons. put garlic pepper herbs, another 3 tablespoons because this pot is too big. But if you don't have all these ingredients ahead, you can use one you have. Then we'll be using dash. Even it's almost finished, let's not finish it. Then we'll be using curry powder, 3 tablespoons too, because this pot is too big. 1, 2, 3. Today my son will be happy. He likes isombe so much, so for his supper will be so happy. You fry this like 7 minutes. To cook isombe, you need the patient. You need to be patient. Keep subscribe, keep sharing my videos. The time to put our diced tomatoes, 2 cans, but if we have fresh one, you can use at this time. We're gonna cook it like 7 minutes. This time you can cover it because that smell is out now. So we'll be putting those small green onions. This one you can eat with rice, ugali, or any kind of food. Ugali called, some people they call it fufu. Where can you find this cassava leaves? In African shop. Anywhere you find the African shop, you can ask them to show you isombe or cassava. There's another one called pundu. All of them, they are cassava leaves. So this time is where we'll be putting our spaghetti sauce. As you know, I don't like white food kind of. That's why I put too much or many can of tomato paste or this spaghetti sauce or those stuff. As you can see, my food is changed the color. That's how I like it. Okay, now we'll be putting our peanut butter powder. Also, you can buy it in an African shop. When you finish to put this peanut butter powder, be careful, try to reduce the heat because it gets burned easier. and then you mix it. Then we reduce the heat to the medium low. The spinach I'll be putting in here. This the one I got from the store, and then I put in the small ziploc, and I put in the freezer. So it spent me long time than in the fridge. So what we'll be putting now. Don't mind this big pot. I will be putting them either in the ziploc like this food, and then write on it what is in it, and put them in the freezer, deep freezer. Oops. So anytime I want, I can just make vugari or fufu, or cook rice in the rice cooker, and probably French fries, and defrost this food. So this helps so much when you cook like this. After you put the spinach, it's the time you can put that beef and beef stew. Or beef broth, sorry, not beef stew, beef broth. Put more a little bit. Beef, we did put beef broth, and now it's time to put beef. Yeah, that is enough. The one which is left, I will cook with another recipe. Oops. Then we're gonna cook it for 45 minutes. That's how I like it. On the lowest heat, because of that peanut butter powder. Before I forget, we need to put eggplant. Oops. The reason I put at the last minute, because eggplant get ready easier, or yeah, it doesn't take that long time to cook, so that's why I put it at the last minute. Then I let it boil. I cook it like 45 minutes or 30 minutes. Then we will see at the last. I think all the ingredients I need to put is in there. I need to rinse this. Okay, we're gonna shake it. There we go. Don't think I have a party. That's how I cook isombe. I cook it like this, and I spend like 1 to 2 months not cooking isombe because I have it so much in the fridge or in the freezer. So now it's time to cover it. Okay guys, that's how beautiful it is at the end. This is fufu. This one was in the freezer. That's why it's good to have food in the freezer. So when you don't have a time to cook, you just take it out and you warm it and you have your food. Subscribe, share, comment. I love you all, but God love you more. Bye guys.